Welcome to Boop Rhymes. Let's sing, smile, and giggle together. Giggle, boop.
In the jungle lived a monkey, cheeky and small. He loved bananas most of all. Yellow and sweet, soft and round. He chased them when they fell to the ground. Morning to night, he'd munch away. Bananas, bananas, hooray, hooray! On the trees in a bunch, hanging high. He'd climb so fast and touch the sky. One banana, two banana, three, then four. He wanted more and more and more. His tummy grew big, he rubbed with a grin. Bananas are yummy, let's eat again. But one fine day he ate too fast, and soon he knew he had a blast. His tummy rumbled, oh dear, oh no. Bananas too many made him slow. He sat on a branch, rubbing his cheek. I won't eat too many, not this week. I'll share with friends, I'll give a bunch. We'll laugh together and have a munch. So now the monkey, clever and kind, keeps a happy balance in his mind. He still loves bananas, 1, 2, 3, but shares the rest with friends for tea.